Oh, come on. Where is my suitcase? That's not mine. Not mine. Definitely not mine. Hello? Can I help you? Yes, please. I can't find my suitcase. Don't worry. Let's check. What does it look like? It's black. Many suitcases are black. It has a yellow line. That's helpful.
Excuse me, I also have a black suitcase with a yellow line.
Really?
I think this is mine.
Wait. I think that's mine. Let's check the name tags.
Oops, this one says Emma.
The riddle is solved. Great. Now, where is your suitcase?
That's a good question.
Maybe it is still coming.
Is that mine?
Go and check.
Wait,
What's wrong?
these are not my clothes.
Really?
Someone has 20 pairs of colorful socks.
That's definitely a wrong suitcase.
Excuse me, that's my suitcase. Oh, sorry. I was looking everywhere for it. Here you go. Thank you. These socks are gifts for my first grade students. Wait, this one has my name.
Perfect.
Yes, this is really mine.
We found everything. A happy ending. Thank you for your help. You're welcome.
Next time, I am buying a pink suitcase. If you like our videos, please subscribe, leave a like, and comment down below. See you on the next video.